This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Insteon plugin step 5, how to add a bridge to Apple Home. From the dashboard, we're going to click on bridges. We're going to select the bridge we want to pair to bridge to the Apple Home. Next, we are going to be opening our iPhone or iPad. Select the Home app. Then we are going to click the plus button on the top right corner of the screen. Click Add Accessory. Next, scan the QR code from HOOBS. Click Add to Home. A pop-up will appear that says Uncertified Accessories. You want to click Add Anyway. Next, you want to select the bridge location. I recommend setting up a room called Hub that you can add all your new accessories to. This way, you can delegate them to the proper rooms without having to worry about missing one. And click Continue. Your bridge has now been added to Apple Home. Apple Home is going to walk you through all your accessories on your bridge.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Please watch step 6 in the lower right corner of your screen.